Hello and welcome to Gardening and Allotment Tips with your host, Gardening with Ben. If you've not listened to my podcasts on Gardening with Ben, have a look for it by just searching Gardening with Ben on any podcast platform, and there's over 100 episodes on there to listen to. But this is a new podcast channel with just short 5-minute episodes talking about a different topic each episode. So in today's episode, we're going to be talking about recycling for the garden. Now, this is getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and more people are wanting to recycle to obviously help the planet and to save on stuff from going into landfill. So how can you recycle for the garden, you may ask? Well, one thing that I always do around this time of year, ideally, is I save all my plastic tubs. Anything that is plastic, whether it be yogurt pots, whether it be punnets, what are made out of plastic, what you like have grapes in, whether you have milk cartons, I save all them for the allotment. And why would I want to save them, you may ask? The reason being is for growing in. Plant pots are so expensive to buy from the shops, and for what you could get from your own shopping, you can make your own plant pots out of the plastic pots, and that is what I do. I save all my 4-pint for milk cartons, and what I do, I just chop the top off them so it makes a square base. I put some holes in the bottom of it, and then I put some compost in, put my seeds in, put some more compost on, and there you go, you have your own seed tray or plant pot to grow your own plants in, and that will save you money. So that is how I start a lot of my seeds off. I have got a lot of seed trays, but as I'm starting to grow more and more stuff, I need more seed trays to grow things in, so I try and make use of anything that is plastic and that can be used for a seed tray as much as possible. Now, another thing what people save is toilet rolls, and the reason why they save toilet rolls is because you can start seeds off in them that are delicate to transplant. So they start them off in the toilet roll, and then all they do is just sink the toilet roll into the ground, and that will decompose, and you won't have to transplant the seeds because they'll be in the ground, and this toilet roll will have decomposed and it'll not be there anymore. And obviously the cardboard will get eaten, and nutrients will go from that back into the ground, feeding the ground. So it's a win-win situation. So if you don't want to transplant the seeds, you can just start them off in toilet rolls and then plant them into the ground once they've started sprouting. So you could do that with your runner beans, start a runner bean off in each toilet roll, maybe put a couple in it just in case the slugs eat them, but then just sink them into the ground and they will be perfect. So yeah, if you want to start recycling more and help save the planet, that is one great way on how to do it for the allotment and in the garden. So I hope you've enjoyed this little tip today, and I hope that you use it and make use of it. Get saving all them plastic pots what you don't want to go into landfill, and make use of them in the allotment to grow your own produce. And if you've got kids, they can paint them or decorate them to make them look nice. So until next time, remember, keep smiling, keep gardening, and keep listening to Gardening with Ben's podcasts.